Your brother Akram has left for Libya?
Yes, he went on Friday, yesterday.
Yesterday?
He's gone, yes.
So I received his letter after he had left, unfortunately. So I couldn't meet him next week.
I'll tell you.
You kindly let him know.
Okay. I'd love to humbly ask you, what is the relevance of dreams we have? Some are, whether taken seriously or not. When your children have dreams as well, what is the real relevance behind
No,
it?
it all depends on what sort of dreams they are. There are Islam as well, according to the Holy Quran. And there are true dreams as well. So it is for the knowledgeable people who know the art of interpreting dreams to find out which dream stands for what. And secondly, it's the person himself who can decide. Because if one is shown a dream from God, number one, it is symbolic, and it has a very deep impression on the person who sees the dream. And then later on, by its fulfillment, one is positive that that dream was really from Allah. So the machinery of dream is in every man. Had there not been any machinery for seeing dreams, how could Allah show dreams? He couldn't have so ill-planned the things that in the one place he had decided to show dreams to his chosen people, and in the other place he did not provide for the machinery. So the machinery of dreams is there for everybody. So if not activated by Allah, by its own internal forces it is activated many times. But those dreams are called Islam, meaningless, purposeless, just the dreams of one's thoughts and intentions and hidden forces, hidden psychic forces. And the other dream which comes from Allah stands distinctly apart. It has a message, it has a language, like the language that was used at the time of the Yusuf, you know that. No, you must be